Good morning, sleepyheads. Y'all, I am running late again, as usual. Like I told y'all yesterday, mornings are my worst enemy. Anyways, let's get these kids up and get them to school. Let's go. Girl, Miss, hey buddy. Come on. Seppi, go get a brush.
I'll take first color pants.
Yeah, when you're ready, I'm gonna do your hair next. Alright. I'm struggling this morning. Why are you wearing Crocs? You need to wear your tennis shoes.
Why?
To the car.
Thank you, Mama.
Listen, I know I don't match this morning. Don't judge me, judge your mama. We are in survival mode over here. Cheers! Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love ya. Stay spicy.